Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, we actually have an incredibly exciting new study that was just released showing just the quite immense amount of Teslas that Uber drivers have been renting through the Uber Tesla rental program. So if you didn't know, Uber does provide Uber drivers with Tesla cars. This is one of the great perks of being an Uber driver is that you actually can drive around in one of the coolest cars in the world, in my opinion. It is a Tesla, groundbreaking car. I've driven one. I actually bought a Tesla myself, and I have to say, Teslas are incredible. So anyways, please thumbs up the video, and I do want to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is a mobile banking platform that allows you as an Uber or Lyft driver to get paid up to 2 days faster. You can also have no fees on overdraft up to $200. You can earn 4% APY, and I also use Current right here, and I went ahead and deposited money into my account, and I'm already earning interest. As you can see, I have just over $100 in my account. So check out Current with the link down below. There's no fees, no credit checks. You can get started for free. Now let's get started. So Uber drivers plan to electrify its driver fleet by 2030. Seems to be off to a good start. Now you've watched the videos of how Uber drivers have been quitting, about how Uber drivers are fed up with gas prices. Now this could be the solution, and it already is increasing the amount of drivers on the road substantially. So many Uber drivers, listen to this. The ride-hailing company announced today that over 15,000 Uber drivers have signed on to rent Tesla vehicles through its partnership with car rental company Hertz. Uber claims the deal is its largest ever expansion of EVs on a mobility platform in North America, and that there have already been more than 5 million Tesla rides, driving over 40 million miles since the program started last year. That is mind-boggling. 5 million Tesla rides, my friends, since the program just started this past year. The popularity, and I mean, it's no surprise. So many people are fed up with gas prices. So many people, you know, they don't want to support oil, gas, and paying over $6 a gallon is not sustainable. And what I've come to realize is that if you can get a Tesla through the Uber Tesla rental program, and if you do have a charger at home or at your work, if you're doing this part-time, if you have it at home, it's gonna make your life amazing. Now, if you're going and constantly not filling up, but recharging at supercharging stations, it does get a little annoying from my experience, because a lot of times they're a little out of the way. They're not as common as gas stations, and you have to sit there and wait for like 15-20 minutes. Now, it's not the end of the world, but when you're doing this over and over and over again, you're constantly having to drive 20 minutes out of the way, and you're waiting there. All of a sudden, now you're like, well, it was pretty nice when I could just fill up my gas tank in 2 minutes. Now I gotta basically, get an hour out of my day to fill up or to recharge. So if you have the ability to get your car charged at your house or at your apartment, talk to your landlord. A lot of them will be happy to install a Tesla charger. It's not a Tesla charger, but it's a Tesla converter. Basically, it's like a 220 volt, so that way your Tesla charges really fast. You can charge at a normal thing, but it's gonna take way too long, especially if you're doing Uber. And a lot of landlords tell them, like, look, this will actually increase the value of your property if you have this installed. I'm doing Uber, I would love to be able to charge my Tesla. Maybe don't tell them that you're doing Uber. They might think you're gonna, do it all night long, which, in fairness, you probably are. But just say you're interested in getting that installed, and they probably will help you out there. But listen to this, quote, "The program is a win for drivers who are expressing pride in being part of the climate solution and are welcoming increased earnings through gas savings, electric vehicle incentives, and tips. Not to mention, you can also qualify for premium tiers with the Tesla. Uber's own assessment of their drivers' all-electric experience was glowingly positive. It handles the mileage really well, said one driver. Uber claims that 95% of drivers renting Teslas through the Hertz have not driven an EV on the platform before, and 92% of them are now considering their next vehicle purchase to be an EV. Yeah, I mean, when you're driving a Tesla, whether you're an Uber driver or not, I mean, your life, it's a life upgrade. I'm not gonna lie. Driving around a Tesla, it's a luxury car. The sound quality is amazing in the sound system. The seats are amazing. I mean, just the experience and feeling you get of owning a Tesla is incredible. And if you have the ability to take advantage of this Uber Tesla program, I mean, yeah, again, you're gonna be earning extra tips, and you could even sign up for Play Octopus right here and make up to $100 extra per month to help pay for your Tesla. I'm gonna show you guys this right here. This is Play Octopus. You can set it up and your passengers can play games in the back of your car. You put it on the back of your headrest, and you as a driver get up to $100 extra a month. I noticed that my tips have gone up tremendously when I have Play Octopus in my car, and you get better ratings too. So check that out. Link below. We do have a referral code for Play Octopus. It's an awesome app. Now, news of Hertz's initial purchase of 100,000 Tesla vehicles late last year sparked a lot of attention. Helped by a big ad campaign starring Tom Brady, the deal also propelled Tesla to become a $1 trillion company. Hertz announced a sizable 65,000 unit order of Polestar 2 vehicles in April. Uber drivers that are interested in renting a Tesla, listen to this. If you're interested, you must have completed at least 150 trips. Easy. Could do that in a couple weeks, or maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. Maintain a 4.85 star rating to be eligible. That's honestly very doable. 4.85 is pretty low in my opinion. I've never gone below 4.9. It costs about $300 a week to rent the Tesla, and drivers receive an extra $1 per trip. And that's maxed at $4,000 per year. So 4,000, yeah. So if you do if you're doing what, 100 rides a week, that's $100 extra, $100 extra bonus just for using the Tesla. That's not counting increased earnings for driving Uber Green or Uber Comfort, or making your extra tips and all that stuff, and your gas savings. So if you're doing, yeah, $100. I mean, how many is that? 150 divided by 7. So if you're doing 21 rides a day, yeah, you're basically, you're getting the Tesla for $150, which is not bad at all. It's not available everywhere, but qualified drivers can sign up in the following cities: Atlanta, Austin, Boston, Charlotte, Chicago, Cleveland, Connecticut, Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Houston, Jacksonville, Las Vegas, LA, Miami, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Nashville, New Jersey, New Orleans, New York City, suburbs, Orlando, Philadelphia, Phoenix, Portland, Sacramento, San Antonio, San Diego, San Francisco, Seattle, St. Louis, Tampa Bay, and Washington, D.C. So there you have it, my friends. Pretty incredible news here. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this one. Sign up for Current using the link below. Again, just to show you briefly, I do use Current myself. I have it right here on my home screen. And yeah, I'm already earning that interest. You get signed up, get paid up to 2 days faster, no overdraft fees when you go negative, $200, and you can earn cash back on gas as well. So link below to Current, sign up for Play Octopus too, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.